I'm Richard Austin and I live at Kawungan in Harvey Bay. The chairs were being demonstrated down at Stocklands. I walked past them many times before I decided I'd give it a go. So I've bought one and I'm enjoying it very much. I find that it's an essential part of my life now. I'm using it twice a day, 3 times if I can fit it in. Being 91 years of age, I'm getting exceptionally good benefit from it. Now I can lift my feet off the floor to put my clothes on. The doctor was telling me that I needed a walking stick. I don't need any walking stick. I can walk now with confidence without even thinking about a walking stick. The chair's very, very easy to use, and I'd strongly recommend it to anybody to give it a go. Don't be scared. Take it in a positive way. What if it does me good? Instead of what if it hurts me? And to me, it's done me a terrific amount of good in the short time I've been using it. As the chair goes, I don't think it matters what age you are. You would reap benefits by the use of the chair. Your flexibility, as far as I am concerned, is improved. It's not a waste of time. It's not a short-term thing. It can be a lifetime investment. And I believe for the money that you've got to pay for it, it's worth investing in a chair of this nature.